So what is up, guys? This is the first video of this channel. I'm in Italy. If you don't know me, fuck, this is me. I got it, but so yeah, for the Flytrap channel. This is my cat, Griffus, and this is my first video of cat community. Makes weird noises, by the way. See, don't do that. I didn't hurt you at all. So first video of cat community. I don't know what to say though. I wish other cats would come here, but they're scared because of Griffus. It would take them away. It's like, fuck you, little kittens. I'll stay here. Take all my glory and sit on this chair, which I was supposed to sit in. See, Griffus, not even good. You have rabies and shit like that. You have, I don't know, what was it called again? I don't remember. So we're outside my grandma's garden. And a lot of bumblebees going on, but Griffus doesn't care. I was up to brushing my teeth, but nah, I left it here. So my grandma is there, but I'm just gonna close the door. That's it. We have quality here, right? Quality, call it #1 quality, right? It's just sitting there, bumblebees running around. I don't know. This is just what I'm supposed to do. Maybe this channel will have more views than the other channel. I'm recording on my grandma's iPad. This is my grandma's channel. Oh my god. If there's Griffus kittens coming out of there. I don't know. Smells like cat poop in here. It's our cat community. We only have Griffus. Or she's a dumbass. It's a she because it has titties. I don't know if you can check on the titties. Hey, show up your titties. Show your titties to the viewers. I'll get demonetized. Freaking bumblebee. So yeah, this is the video for today. I'm gonna post it. And bye bye.